Hi, I'm Claire. Welcome back to Ace English. Today we're looking at one of the most common and useful parts of English grammar. There is, there are. These small phrases help us to talk about what exists or what we can see. And they're used all the time in natural British English. We'll cover when to use there is, there are, how to make them negative, and some real examples so you can use them confidently in conversations. Whether you're a beginner or you just need a refresh, this is a great place to start. So, let's begin. Let's start with when to use it. There is, there are is to talk about what we can see around you. The difference between is and are depends on the number of things you are talking about. So, if you use there is, you are talking about one thing. If you use there are, you are talking about two or more things. For example, there is a pen on the table. One pen, one thing, there is. There are pens on the table. Pens is plural. Two or more pens, there are. Let's look at how we can make these sentences negative. All we need to do is add not. Is not. Are not. In natural English, we would contract these to make isn't, aren't. For example, there isn't water in the cup. Water is an uncountable noun, so we need to use the singular is. We want to say that there is no water, so there isn't water in the cup. There isn't a cafe in my village. No cafes in the village. We want to say there is not one. So cafe is singular, we need to use is. Is not. There aren't any pens on the desk. We want to say no pens on the desk. Pens is plural, so we need to use are. The sentence is negative. There aren't any pens on the desk. So, don't forget to like and subscribe to our Ace English channel, and I will see you next week.